Today, we're going to explore a quick guide on how to use ChatGPT to write a motivational letter. First, open your preferred browser on your device. In the search bar, type in chatgpt.com and hit enter. This will take you to the ChatGPT platform. Once you're in the ChatGPT platform, it's time to write your prompt for your essay. You could write a prompt like this: create a motivational letter. After writing your prompt, tap the send button. Wait for a few seconds as ChatGPT processes your prompt. Then, after a few seconds, ChatGPT generates an answer for you. And that's how quick and easy you can write a motivational letter using ChatGPT. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.